Transfer tax. A property sells for $245,300. The state charges a transfer tax of $1 per 500 of the sales price or any fraction thereof. What is the total transfer tax? The first thing I want to point out is that transfer tax, excise tax, and revenue stamps can be considered the same thing. Depending on the state and the test question, you can assume they're going to work in the same way. The first place we're going to start with is just making sure that we see the definition of the transfer tax and how much that's going to be. You see it says here it's a transfer tax of $1 per 500. So every $500 worth of the sales price, you're going to owe the state $1. That means we need to know how many 500s there are in $245,300. To do this, I'm going to take the $245,300 and divide by 500. That's going to give me a number here, which is 490.6. That is how many 500s. If you needed $500 bills, it would take 490.6 500 bills to get 245,300. Well, that's great because we know we're going to pay $1 for every 500, which would give us a total of $490.60. But the thing about transfer tax is that there can be no change. Notice it says or fraction thereof. So what we want to do is get rid of the change by always rounding up. Instead of being $490.60, our answer would be $491 even. This is one of the few times on the test where rounding is really important. As always, I hope this helps, and I'll see you next time. Bye.